Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to reset Dell Docking Station K17A Easy Reset and Troubleshooting Tutorial. Step 1. Disconnect everything. Unplug the docking station from your laptop and also unplug all the attached peripherals, including your external monitors, USB devices, Ethernet, and even audio cables. Step 2 is to unplug from power. Once done, remove the AC power adapter from both the wall outlet and the back of the docking station. Step 3. Discharge residual power. With all cables removed, press and hold the power button on the dock for about 30 to 40 seconds, as this will drain all the stored electricity and also clear the dock's internal memory. Step 4. Wait. Then leave the docking station unplugged for at least 1 full minute. Step 5. Reconnect to power again. Then plug the AC power adapter back into the dock and then into the wall outlet. And wait for about 30 seconds for the dock to initialize. Step 6. Reconnect devices. Then reconnect your monitors, Ethernet, and USB devices. And finally plug the USB-C cable back into your laptop. Here are some advanced troubleshooting. If the reset does not resolve your issue, example blinking lights, monitor not displaying, consider these troubleshooting fixes. Fix 1. Update drivers and firmware. Outdated drivers frequently cause connectivity problems. So visit the Dell drivers and downloads page. From there, enter your service tag or model number and download the latest firmware update utility. Fix 2. Laptop BIOS update. Ensure your laptop's BIOS is up to date to prevent USB-C and Thunderbolt communication issues. Fix 3. Check the AC adapter. Ensure you are using the correct Dell branded power adapter, usually 130 volt or 180 volt, for the K17A, as insufficient power can cause the dock to fail to recognize attached devices. Fix 5. Consult official manuals. For comprehensive schematics and specific support documentation, refer to the Dell Dock K17A manuals and documents page. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.